Hey, Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com. And today we got a great question from one of our DIYers. They were having some trouble getting the butyl tape to stick. Stay tuned. Okay, so butyl tape is used in order to attach the vapor barrier to the foundation wall, and then we use the Christmas tree fasteners and push that through the vapor barrier and the butyl tape into the foundation wall. So it's a great way, especially if you're working on the crawl space by yourself. The butyl tape is a great way to keep that vapor barrier up on the wall while you go down and put like a longer piece of plastic on the wall. So if you're going to be doing this by yourself, I highly recommend you get you some butyl tape. Some people are having issues getting it to stick to the block wall. Now, keep in mind the butyl tape is kind of a temporary stick, okay, just to give you a hand up and make sure that it's properly attached to the wall. But if you're having trouble getting it to stick long enough to get the plastic installed, make sure that you take one of those wire brushes and scrape off the cinder block or the foundation wall, and then that'll help the butyl tape stick. And you may even have to go as far as get some muriatic acid and put on the wall if you've got some kind of residue on the foundation wall. The last thing is if you've painted the block wall, the butyl tape may not stick that well. So this needs to be on an unpainted block or foundation wall. So that was a great question about the butyl tape not sticking, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.